During a rain or snowstorm, water that does not soak into the ground becomes runoff. It flows into surface waterways, is channeled into storm drains, or collects in a watershed. A watershed is an area where surface water and the materials it carries flows to a single collection place. Most of Virginia's local watersheds eventually lead to the Chesapeake Bay. However, some water travels to the North Carolina Sound or all the way down to the Gulf of Mexico.
That sure is a long trip, yeah.
Stormwater does not get cleaned as it makes its way to its final destination. If harmful things are in it, fish and other living animals can get sick or die, and it's also bad for us. That's why things like soda bottles, pet waste, or even a small gum wrapper should not go down the storm drain. That's the same water that eventually comes back to us for our use. When the water we use gets dirty, we have to clean it. The water we flush and the water from our bathtubs, sinks, and washing machines is called wastewater. It goes down the drain, through a lot of pipes, and leads to a big treatment plant. Did you know that if you put all the sewer pipes we use in Fairfax County end to end, they would stretch across the entire country? That's a total of 3,000 miles.
Wow, that's a lot of pipes.
That's right. And wastewater management's job is to make sure that all the pipes, pump stations, and the treatment plant are working well so that the dirty water can be cleaned. Wastewater treatment operates 24 hours a day, 365 days of the year. Let's follow the flow. Once the wastewater arrives at the treatment plant, it gets pumped to large tanks. Solid matter that floats on top or settles on the bottom is separated from the water. The water travels to special tanks where air is bubbled through it. This supplies oxygen to microorganisms that live in the tanks. Their job is to eat the pollution in the water, and they use the organic matter and nutrients in the wastewater as food.
That's gross!
Well, the microbes don't think so. After the microbes have had their meal, the water continues its travels in the cleaning process.
You mean the water isn't clean enough yet?
Not yet. The water is cleaner, but it needs to be cleaned even more. Wastewater staff adds special chemicals like chlorine to help scrub off any additional pollution and to kill germs. When this process is complete, the chemicals and pollution are removed. We're finally to the final step in the water treatment process. The water travels through a sand carbon filter. This removes any impurities that may still be left in the water. The water goes back into our waterways with the pollutants removed. Every day, the amount of water returned back into our waterways is enough to fill 63 Olympic-sized swimming pools.
Wow, that's a lot of clean water.
And this clean water is available to you for a variety of uses. We can all help keep our water safe. Remember those microorganisms? Don't dump grease, medicines, or chemicals down the drain. These can harm the microbes that play such an important role in the wastewater treatment process. Instead, make sure you safely dispose of any of these materials. Water is a limited resource, and we all must work together to take care of it so it will last another 4 billion years. Protect our water. Don't dump grease or medicines down the drain. Remember, quality of water equals quality of life. To find out more about Fairfax County's wastewater management program, call 703-550-9740. The TTY number is 703-893-8489, or log on to Fairfax County's website.